Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure n8n self-hosted for workflow automation step by step clearly. To configure n8n self-hosted for workflow automation, start by ensuring you have a supported environment. You will need Node.js version 14 or later installed on your system. Install Node.js from the official website if you haven't done so already. Next, install npm, which typically comes with Node.js. Use the following command in your terminal to install n8n globally. Run npm install n8n. Once n8n is installed, create a directory where you want to store your n8n files. Navigate to that directory using the command line. You can do this by running cd your directory path. Now, it's time to set up the database for n8n. You can choose SQLite for a quick setup, or PostgreSQL for more advanced features. For SQLite, no additional setup is needed. If you opt for PostgreSQL, make sure it's installed and running. Next, create a new PostgreSQL database for n8n. Run created n8n. Now we need to configure n8n to use this database. Create a new file named .env in your n8n directory. Open the .env file in a text editor. Add the following lines for PostgreSQL configuration. db_type equals Postgres db_Postgres_host equals localhost db_Postgres_port equals 5432 db_Postgres_database equals n8n db_. If using SQLite, simply add db_type equals SQLite. Next, configure n8n to use your preferred authentication method. For basic authentication, add n8n_basic_auth_active equals true n8n_basic_auth_user equals your. Now, save and close the .env file. It's time to start n8n. Run the command n8n start. Once n8n starts, it will show you the URL to access the interface. Open your web browser and go to the provided URL. You should see the n8n workflow editor interface loaded. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.